Ready to unlock the secret to tax-free investing and watch your savings flourish? Let's dive into how to open a Tfsa at Scotiabank. First, head over to the Scotiabank website. You can easily find it by searching Scotiabank Tfsa on Google. This is where your journey to tax-free savings begins. Once you're on the website, use the search bar and type in Tfsa. You'll see various options related to Tfsas. Click on the one that says Open a Tfsa online or something similar. Now, you'll be presented with an application form. Scotiabank will ask for your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, and social insurance number. This information is crucial for setting up your account. Next, you'll need to choose the type of Tfsa you want to open. Scotiabank offers different options, such as a Tfsa savings account or a Tfsa investment account. Consider your investment goals and risk tolerance when making your choice. You'll also need to fund your Tfsa. You can do this by transferring money from an existing Scotiabank account or by making a deposit from another financial institution. Remember the annual contribution limits set by the Canadian government. You don't want to over-contribute. Finally, review your application carefully, agree to the terms and conditions, and submit it. Scotiabank will then verify your information and open your Tfsa. Congratulations! You're now on your way to tax-free savings.